Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Today we are diving into a wardrobe channel that been a symbol of femininity and style for countries. Skirts, whether you are into mini, midi or maxi, they are skirts out there for every mood and occasions. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Skirts come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique flair. From flowy bohemian, maxi to silk and started minis. There's no shortage of option to express your personal style, and let's not forget about the timeless elegance of the midi skirts, hitting the perfect balance between sophistication and comfort. One of the best things about skirts is their versatility. Pair a denim mini with the graphic tee for a casual weekend look, or dress it up with the blouse and heels for a night out on the town. And don't be afraid to play with patterns and texture. Our floral print skirts can add a pop of color to your wardrobe, while a leather mini brings a touch of edge to any outfit. Skirts and just for warm weather either. Throw on some tight and boots and you got yourself chic winter ensemble. And when it's come to accessories, the possibilities are endless. From statements bags to chunky jewelry, don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. But graphics the best things. Skirt is how they make you feel. There's something improving about showing around in a flowy maxi or a stunning your staff in a silk pencil skirt. So whether you are headed to the coffee, out for brunch with friends, or dancing the night way, remember to embrace the magic of the skirt and let your confidence soar. That's all for today. Colleagues, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment letting us know your favorite skirt style. Until next time, stay stylish and stay fables.